Now that we have our XR rig set up, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up a locomotion in a scene in our VR environment. For this, XR Interaction Toolkit provides a collection of locomotion primitives that helps us to move around the scene in our VR environment. First thing we're going to look at is our locomotion system. So let's go to XR Origin, add component, and add the locomotion system. Once we add in locomotion system, we have a reference system XR Origin. This locomotion system actually automatically tracks the XR Origin that is present in the scene. However, we can hook it up manually like this as well. Now the next thing we need is the continuous move provider. Continuous move provider allows us or XR Origin to move continuously by using our input from the controller. So let's add continuous, and just a reminder, we're using continuous move provider action based. Continuous move provider contains various properties. The system, its locomotion system available in the system, so we need to drag and drop it here for the system. And the move speed, it's a speed in units per second to move forward. So for now, let's just keep it as 1. We can enable strafe. This will control the sideways movement. We can also use gravity. The gravity application mode would be attempting move or immediately, and the forward source. So the forward source, it actually defines the forward direction as per the source's transformation or transform. So we can change it to direction where hand is pointing by putting hand prefab, which we will do it in later videos. It is common in VR to move using left hand controller. So let's use left hand move action, use reference. For the reference, we can use XRI left hand move. Sorry, let's try searching move. XRI left hand locomotion move. Once the left hand locomotion move is hooked up, now we will be able to move forward, backward, and sideways in our VR environment. Let's check it out. Play mode, put your headset on, pulling the trigger forward, backward, and sideways. So I'm using my left hand, forward, backward. Now with the movement ability, we also need the ability to turn around so we can turn our directions of moving. Let's add that snap turn provider. Again, it's action based in XR Origin. Again, let's hook up the locomotion system. For the system, turn amount is in degree by which when we press the button, the XR rig turns its direction. Let's put it at 30 degrees for now. It is common in VR system to use our right hand controller. Just like we use left hand for continuous movement, we use right hand controller to make a snap turn in the scene. So similar to left hand move action, we use reference for the right hand snap turn action. Look for the reference, let's say snap, and XRI right hand locomotion snap turn. Once we are hooked up, we are ready to go and explore our VR world. Let's go back to play mode again. Wear our headset. Then I'm moving forward, backward. I want to change the direction. Alright. I hope you can see I'm turning left, right, and back. So this is how we implement locomotion system in VR.